This part of the video may not actually ever make it to the video, but I entered a raffle more times than I normally would because I really want to win the car. And we've got 4 minutes until the raffle goes live. I want to make sure when I win this, if I win this, I'm nervous because obviously this has cost money and I do these are my one little guilty pleasure. So how do you find out if where do they do it? Do they do it on their website or where? Let's have a look. I've got to feed this pup, innit? Hey buddy. Also, this seems like the perfect time to plug that I'm going to be giving away a free Sylvia shirt when I got pulled over by the police. Now, if you want to win one of these, I'll let you know near the end of the video. It's going to be super easy for you to enter, and also that means you get a cool t-shirt for free. Well, I think it's cool anyway. It is this car that I want to win. Add arrival. It's time now.
Press generate and it comes up with a random number every single time.
SX,
Here we go.
let's do it. 136.
136, so.
Oh, it's 5 out! You fucker! No! Oh man, I'm so sad. I really wanted that car, but congratulations, Andy Britton. Remember, use my link down below. Oh, my heart was racing. Well, it's still gonna win 100 quid apparently, but I'm gutted, man. Anyway, congratulations, Andy Britton. I'm jealous, you motherfucker. Now, I'm gonna eat and then go down the garage, so I'll catch you down there.
Oh, I'm not impressed with this at all. 2 degrees, mate. 2 degrees. A few days ago, it was summer. Oh dear.
But it does mean I'm back down here again. Freeze my nuts off if I've got my keys. I'm back down here again because I want to get this little car all ready to be MOT'd, or put through an MOT at least, before I go on holiday, and I go on holiday soon. So it's my first holiday of oh my god, since February. So I'm very lucky and I get to go away a couple of times a year, and this is a time that I'm very much looking forward to. In the sun, I am freezing, man. Let's get this heater on. So I've got a few things I need to do today. Robsy's gonna come and join me soon. I hope you enjoyed the little the raffle thing anyway, man. My heart, oh my god, my heart was racing, boys. I thought I was gonna win. I was like, oh my god, this is it. Nope, but it's okay, because we've got way too many cars already, so we need to sort these out. So let's run through what I want to do. I want to get on the drill a bit more, a drill bit, and get some more of the surface mess off of the bits and pieces. Basically, I felt that the brakes weren't working properly, so we've done the brake bleed. I've checked all the pads and they all seem fine. So worst case, I'll get the fluid changed while it's out with Will. They were going to check for me as well the rust, so they're going to put a proper MOT on it, because once I sell this, then I want someone to enjoy it. With this car, I want it to be enjoyed by someone. I think it'll be an amazing first drift car, amazing first track car, and it's literally ready to go. This is taking ages, so what I'll do is I'll catch back up with you once I've done the vast majority of this. Oh, this is awkward as fuck. That is not comfortable laying under there. Got the vast majority off now. I need to check, see if I did that other side, because I can't remember. Yes, looks like I did do this side. Okay, so while I wait for Robsy, we can go do something real quick on the Sylvia in the other garage. It's gonna be Baltic, but this is just what happens when you live in England. These magical summers where you almost win the World Cup, and then you just freeze, and it's crap. Right, let's go to Sylvia. Come on. I want you guys to come as well. Come on. There she is.
Hey, Pumpy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hello.
Okay, so is this rear light just here that needs putting back in, because I lent it to Tooley and he got it back to me super quick. Appreciate that, dude. So yeah, sweet. We'll put the loom back in and that, but it's not hard.
Buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy.
Yeah, there we have it. Car looks like a car again. Woo! So sick. One day she might run properly. Do you know how to do lifters? You don't. Mate. I'll explain about this a bit more in a second, because I've got about a billion thoughts in my head going round and round and round. So these are what we've got to replace whatever you took, or are these my old ones?
No, these are your old ones.
Oh, okay, cool. I didn't quite another clue. Didn't even know what you took, so.
The Frankenstein bolt.
Is it easy?
Yeah, it's this.
Okay. Right, so let's show you what he stole. Oh, I could clickbait this. He stole parts off me. Confronting the guy that stole my parts. It fucking is, you know? I mean, it is, you know? I gotta stop swearing so YouTube stops banning my videos. Get that bitch tight. I mean, get that thing tight. Next up on my list of things to do on the whip is raise it a bit. It is far too low for everyday driving. Obviously, I want to be able to sell it to somebody that can do what they want with it. The coilovers are adjustable, so they can lower it again if they want. And yeah, super easy job. I won't bore you with it, so I'll catch up with you again shortly once my old spanner and me oh god, that didn't work out how I wanted. My tape measure have been put to good use, my boys, my dudes. Coilovers are all adjusted, all equal all the way around for the first time since we fitted them. And oh my goodness me. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck the original wheels on with the dodgy tyres. Right. Okay, so the camera just died and said it had no battery, but now it thinks it's got 3 batteries, so we're back in the game. Just chucking the wheels on, and Pumba's getting the wheels back on, just in case this all dies, the camera dies again. I just want to thank you guys for watching. If it doesn't die, I'll catch up with you again in a bit, or I'll finish this up at home. So we'll see what happens. MX5 almost ready for sale. Okay, the camera hasn't died, so the car is now got all its wheels on. I need to order up 2 new tyres for the rear, then get it up to Sudbury for it to have an MOT. I need to put front plate on it. It's just little simple things now. Like I said, I think it's gonna be a great car. But I'm sure you're all sick of me telling you how great this car is, so we'll leave that now. We'll catch back up with that once we go get it MOT'd. Just need to kind of like explain where we're at. We've been obviously we missed the last ever Rockingham day, which was sad. Rest in peace, Rockingham. Amazing place. It was a great time. But I've got to hold tight and see what happens with UK drifting now. And most of the tracks are a good 5-6 hours away from me now, apart from Santa Pod. And they obviously shut in like April, I think it is, or May. So after that, there is no more drift days in the peak time. The Nissan needs a load more work. And I've just got to decide whether I'm going to go full bore into it with money once this sells to get it running, big power, big lock and all that. But we've got to wait and see where the next drift days end up being that Sweeps obviously runs. I'm sure he's going to have found a great place for it, but we've just got to be careful. And on that note, let me know down in the comments how much you think I'm going to get for the MX5. Let me know if you would personally, if this was your personal money, would you get all the Sylvia sorted out before Rockingham, before knowing where the next drift days are going to be, or just wait? And if you, and what would you do? Just what would you do if you're in my situation? And yeah, would you then use the money from this to fix up the Sylvia, or would you keep hold of it and start saving and we can do other fun stuff with it? The Sylvia will get done, but I just don't think we need to rush it. It can become another Civic almost, can't it? I obviously want to do more drifting, but I can't drive up to Wigan and Middlesbrough every other weekend, so we'll have to just see. On that note, make sure you leave me a comment down below. All you have to do to win this t-shirt is hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Simple as that. I'll pick a random comment. When we're gonna say? When should I say, Robs? I'll pick a random comment in the next video. There we go. That's fair enough, right? Yeah. So if I don't, remind me, which I'm sure you will, but remind me. I think it'd just be cool, free t-shirt for one of you guys out there, and yeah, good to still document this. I know there wasn't a huge amount going on in this video, but I want to document everything we do with the cars so you can just see exactly what's happening, especially ones that I'm going to be trying to sell, so people can see that I haven't tried to hide anything or anything like that. So yeah, the MX5 is almost ready to go, almost ready for MOT. Sad reacts only. But this is Alex Roberts, Robsy over here, and Pumba. He's coming to America with me, so you'll see him on the channel, and Jack as well, and my dad. So we're all going to be out there. Should be cool, should be nice and relaxing, and hopefully hot. If there's anybody that you guys know in the Florida area or that you want me to try and hang out with, let me know down below, and we'll try and see and do our best. It's around Orlando. See if we can get Zosh in on some videos as well while we're over there. Can't promise nothing. But yeah, Pumbaa, do you want to say goodbye? Say goodbye. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, so the video's not done yet. I've just come to my mum's house real quick because I want to show you the new member of the family. Hey. Okay. Oh, you got told. You got told, puppy. Okay, so this is Missy. She's the new puppy. She's lovely, but she's winding up the other dog that's just had some surgery, so you're gonna go over there. But yeah, she's lovely. And here's Ralph. All the old dogs. Ow! Look at that little killer. Little killer. Ow! Just walked in the back door. It's about 10 o'clock. About 10 o'clock-ish. Just walked in the back door and I'm thinking. I've been sat with mum and that just chatting, and I said to her, like, I'm definitely gonna sell this MX5. Like that is the plan in my head. I'd love some money back. But I'm like, is there any point selling it yet? I have got the wheels on the Civic. I don't want to use, well, I could just buy some fucking tyres for them work wheels that I bought. Just thinking there might be a December track day. Maybe end of December, start of January, a few track days. You know, down below. Do you want to see me take that car out on track and actually start getting some seat time again? Because spent a lot of money fixing it up, and I kind of am just feeling like it could be cool just to use it, just to show off how good it is as a little car. Get it MOT'd anyway, so then if there's anything outstanding like bushings and all that, I can get it done. And then maybe sell the car in a few months after Christmas when people have got money again, because no one's going to have money this month or January, are they? Tell me down below. Should I keep it until April, May, maybe? Do some winter track days? Let me know. Well, let me know. Just leave a comment down below. Tell me. I'll do whatever you say. If you say sell it, I'll stick it up for sale as soon as it's MOT'd. If you say do some track days, we'll get out on track. Let me know down below. I'll see you later, guys.